If your Dodge Charger key fob battery is dead, don't panic. All 2011-2023 models include a hidden mechanical key. First, locate the release button on the key fob. Press it to access the hidden mechanical key. Pull out the mechanical key from the fob. This key will allow manual access. Locate the keyhole on the driver's side door. It's usually near the handle. Insert the mechanical key into the lock cylinder and turn it to unlock the door. Note that Dodge Chargers store the battery in the trunk. If you need to jumpstart later, use the mechanical key for trunk access or the interior release button. Once inside your Charger, you can jumpstart it. First, ensure both your Charger and the donor car are turned off. Connect the red jumper cable to the positive terminal of your Charger's battery, then connect the other end to the positive terminal of the donor car's battery. Next, connect the black jumper cable to the negative terminal of the donor car's battery. Attach the other end to an unpainted metal surface on your Charger's engine block, away from the battery. Start the donor car and let it run for a few minutes. Then, try starting your Charger. If it starts, let it run for several minutes to recharge the battery. Carefully disconnect the cables in reverse order.